My name is Balli Torres, and I am the Executive Director of the Texas Access to Justice Foundation, located in Austin, Texas. The Texas Access to Justice Foundation is the largest funder of civil legal aid in Texas. Our mission is to ensure that all communities in Texas have access to the civil justice system. So there is a huge difference between the civil justice system and the criminal justice system. In the criminal justice system, you are facing the possibility of going to jail, of being in prison because of a crime that has been committed. In the civil justice system, those are the everyday problems that we all face, including things like not being able to pay your rent, and so you're evicted. A family law case, so you're going to get a divorce or you need a protective order, child custody cases. Those are prime examples of civil legal problems. The number one barrier for people obtaining a lawyer is the inability to pay for a lawyer. It has become unaffordable to hire a lawyer for most Americans, but certainly if you are low income, it is almost impossible for someone to find money out of their budget to hire a lawyer. Community justice workers in Texas can be a game changer, particularly in rural communities where there is little access not just to legal aid, but to any lawyers, since there are legal deserts throughout such a large state as Texas. In Texas, we are also looking at a rule that would make justice workers permissible. And what basically that would do is give people in the community a right-sized option and someone who is close to the community to help them figure out how they can deal with the most basic of civil legal needs. Access to justice is fundamental to our democracy. It is fundamental to the rule of law. Courthouses are people's courthouses. And it is tragic that we find ourselves in a situation where the people cannot access their very own courts. I think with community justice workers, we have the potential to have a very diverse pool that will be able to provide more culturally appropriate services that will generate trust with the community, not just trust in the worker themselves, but trust in the entire civil justice system.